This is my daily dish for today, air fryer crescent rolls. Hey everyone. So today I decided to forget the oven and follow the air fryer instruction on the crescent roll. Yep, I went rogue, but don't worry. The directions are right there on the package. No sponsorship here though, just my go-to brand. I'm using my trusty air fryer liner. This one that I have comes with three, two small ones and a biggie. So I can divide the air fryer and cook two meals or one big one. If you want the details, let me know and I'll share with you. Quick housekeeping. I'm cooking for my family, so don't judge me for using my hands. They are clean. Honestly, who actually wear gloves in their own kitchen? I sprayed the liner based on the package directions. My daughter helped with the rolling today because she loves to be my little sous chef, so don't laugh at my rolls. Do not laugh. I love her helping me. The direction says set the temperature at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Direction then says to flip at 6 minutes. So I did. They were very soft, so using those tongs were not going to do it for me. It was better to use my hands to turn them. So I did. Right? Then put them back in for 4 more minutes. So what do you like to eat with your crescent rolls? Do you put butter on top before eating them? After taking them out, I decided to add 2 more minutes because I felt I want them to be more cooked. I put them back in for 2 more minutes for a total of 12 minutes. I took them out and this is the final result. Well-cooked crescent rolls. They were yummy, they were flaky, they were golden, and air fryer approved. So moral of this story, crescent rolls without turning on the oven equals game changer in my kitchen.